Hey guys, this is Jesse, the Jesse.Davenport, come from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take it a fresh trade. This is a 2014 Cyclone 3100. New colors, big old front cap. Big awning down the side. There's two on this side. This has 6-point leveling. Got the generator up front and a fuel station. Take a look over here. Here's your auto leveling. Here's all your attachments for the vacuum cleaner. Lots of storage through here. 4-season coach. If you come inside here, solid surface counters. Got a couch in here, big old slide, very high ceilings. This one has a loft up here. There's a fan up above here and a fan up there. Air conditioning lights all through the top. Nice 4-door refrigerator, gas electric. You got a garage back here. You can put a side-by-side in, a few quads. This has the double beds that go down, with it flip down to the side. The patio off the back. This does have a dovetail, a little place to store stuff. It's a place for a washer dryer back here. You got all your ducts, place for TV, stereo. Very nice, very clean. Come up through here, you got a place to put your tables. And then your vacuum cleaner plugs in over here if you like to vacuum. Take a look in there. Nice big shower. Come on up in here in the bedroom. Got a big wardrobe here with the desk area. Look in here, it's got all your extra attachments. Nice wood. These people put a nice memory foam mattress. Here's both your TVs, the one for the back, the one for the bedroom. Air conditioning through here again. This is a queen bed. And if you got any other questions, my number's on the screen. You can call me on my cell phone, 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.